All right, here's a quick, fun little question for you. A meatloaf measuring 16 by 18 by 34 inches is dropped into a fish tank half full of chocolate milk. The dimensions of the fish tank shown here, 24 by 24 by 60, and that's inches. Okay. By how many inches did the chocolate milk level rise? Okay, this problem came up in class today, and of course I didn't find this in a book. Problems like this you got to make up yourself. But anyway, hopefully it makes you hungry. But the question is, and a lot of kids thought, hey, this is a trick question, you're just messing with us, Mr. Witcher. But no, not really, this is an easy one. How many inches? So our answer is going to be in inches. So if I could find the volume, here's a strategy for you. There's other ways to do this problem. But if you could find the volume of 1 inch of chocolate milk, right? Like one little layer of chocolate milk. And then volume of the meatloaf, you could do volume of meatloaf divided by volume of 1 inch of chocolate milk. Oh, I see, 1 inch of chocolate. That's going to give you how many inches of chocolate milk, right? How many inches it would rise. It's a pretty simple problem, right? So we don't actually need to know the volume of the fish tank or half of it or any of that. So that's kind of a diversion up there. So let's get to work. I hope that thinking makes sense for you. Okay, so the volume of 1 inch of chocolate milk is just simply 24 times 60 times 1, right? Because it's only 1 inch deep at that point. 24 times 60 is 1440 cubic inches. Okay, then I need the volume of the meatloaf, which is 16 times 18 times 34, which is 9,792 cubic inches. Then if I remember my plan up here, if I can figure out how many inches of chocolate milk fit into the volume of the meatloaf, that's going to tell me how many inches it's going to rise. 9792 divided by 1440. A little bit less than 7 inches is how much the chocolate milk would rise. Okay? And I could ask a follow-up question. Whoa, sorry about that. Whew. Dang. I hope you're still watching. Anyway, follow-up question might be, what is the new level in the tank? Right? I could ask that question, which would simply be 12 inches, right? Because it's half full. Plus the 6.8 inches would be 18.8 inches, including the meatloaf. So anyway, that's enough of that. 4 minutes of meat and chocolate. Okay, so watch out for questions like this. Sometimes the questions that have the most words and seem the most confusing are actually the easiest. This is a pretty simple question. All right, and stay tuned. In the future, I'm planning on actually doing this problem live with a fish tank, with chocolate milk, and meatloaf. Make sure you subscribe so when that happens, you'll know about it. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.